Now we are learning a Ganesha Stotra. So if you don't know who is Ganesha, Ganesha is one of the god who is very well known with the elephant face. So next you have a picture, you can have a look. Who is Ganesha? Yes, you have seen the Lord Ganesha here. So here we say the Shloka of Lord Ganesha. So mostly the Lord Ganesha's slokas are Shloka or a stotra is told in the beginning of every session, every good ceremony that you are going to do. You will remember Lord Ganesha because he will remove any kind of obstacles. He will remove the difficulties. So the program or any kind of a functions, it will go very smooth and without any problem. For example, you're writing your exam and you don't want to forget anything in your exam and you want to get a good result. Obviously you do the hard work, so without hard work you cannot pass in your exam, that is there. But still, so just to be sure, and you will pray Lord Ganesha before writing your exam. So this is how it will work. Fine. So we will learn the Ganesha Stotra now. There are many shlokas. I have chosen only 2 to 3, so we will learn this first. Okay, fine. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा समप्रभा सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा. We'll see that from the beginning. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं निर्विघ्नं. Vigna is a difficulty. Nirvigna is removing the difficulty. Nirvignam. Gha, stress the gha. Gnam. Nirvignam. Kuru me deva. Kuru me deva. Sarva. Sarva. Karyeshu. Karyeshu. Sarvada. Let all the ceremony, let all the work go smoothly without any difficulties. Sarvakaryeshu sarvada. So we'll learn from the beginning. Repeat after me. I'll go very slowly and it will be easy for you. Okay. Vakratunda Mahakaya. Repeat 3 times. Vakratunda Mahakaya. Repeat 3 times. Pause it and repeat for 3 times. Suryakoti Samaprabha. Suryakoti Samaprabha. Prabha. Bha, stress. You have to stress the letter Bha. Pause it and say it 3 to 5 times. Nirvignam kuru me deva. 3 to 5 times. Repeat. Nirvignam kuru me deva. Nirvignam kuru me deva. Sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Wonderful. So, if you are ready now, if you are ready with all the lines, we'll say the complete shloka now. Okay? We'll go slowly. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam kuru me deva. sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Right? So in the second line we usually tell Surya Koti, and there you can also say sometimes we'll also tell Koti Surya. Okay, so at the end of this video you will be having a little more detailed description, detailed explanation of this shloka. You can go through this, but I have told you the only basics of the shloka, because I don't want to make you feel bored by the lot of explanations, because there is a lot of in-depth explanations for each and every word that we use in the shloka or the stotra. So that we can do it slowly. But right now you have to learn the shloka and start chanting the shloka and reciting the shloka, which helps you in a many or the other ways. At the end of the video, always you will get the more description about the shloka or the stotra, right? So we'll see this shloka once again, the Ganesha stotra. So you remember, right? This you will tell before attending any kind of a function, before doing any kind of a function, before your exams, before your any exam. Let it be like a sports, you're participating in the sports, any kind of activities, you can say the Ganesha stotra to remove the difficulties, right? Yes, we'll just say the once again. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. So this is how you chant. So always make sure that you will chant with your hands in front of your chest. Okay? I mixed it in this way, but you please be very conscious. You place your hands like this and you start chanting. Okay? This was one of the shloka. We'll go for one more shloka. So before going to the other shloka, make sure you have practiced the shloka well and good. So only when you know the shloka completely by hearted, you have memorized this, then you can go for the next of the Ganesha shloka, right? So this is the second shloka of the Ganesha stotra. So here we learn. So all this has the same kind of benefits you will say in the beginning of any kind of your exams or functions, something like that. Okay? Yes, we'll learn the second one. Gajananam. Gajananam. Gaja means elephant. Bhutaganadi. Bhutaganadi. Sevitam. Sevitam. I'll repeat the first line. Gajananam Bhutaganadi Sevitam. I'll repeat. Gajananam Bhutaganadi Sevitam. Pause it here. Please repeat 3 to 5 times. Once you are done, we'll go for the next line. Kapitha. Tha, stress the tha. Kapitha. Jambuphala. Jambuphala. Pha, stress the pha. Sarabhakshitam. Again, bha, stress the bha. Sarabhakshitam. Kapitha. Jambuphala. Sarabhakshitam. Kapitha. Jambuphala. Sarabhakshitam. Pause it here, say 3 to 5 times. So we learned the 2 lines. Make sure you memorize it before going to the third line. Next line, we'll go for the next line. Umasutam. Umasutam. Shokavinashakaranam. Shokavinashakaranam. Umasutam. Shokavinashakaranam. Wonderful. Please practice this 3 to 5 times before going to the last line. Namami Vigneshwara Padapankajam. Padapankajam. We'll repeat the complete shloka now. Gajananam bhutaganadi sevitam. Repeat along with me if you can. Kapita Jambuphala Sarabhakshitam Umasutam Shokavinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Padapankajam. Fine. Okay, we'll say a little louder and a little faster. Gajananam bhutaganadisevitam Kapita Jambuphala Sarabhakshitam Umasutam Shokavinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Padapankajam. Clear? Wonderful. So practice this. This is little more lengthier shloka, so no need to worry. As you practice, it will be really completely fine for you. Okay? So once you are done with this, the first and the second, we'll go for the next shloka, the third one, the last one of the Ganesha stotras. Okay? The series of a Ganesha. Fine? So here we'll go for the third one. Pranamya Shirasa Devam. Pranamya Shirasa Devam. Gauri Putra Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayushka Martha Siddhaye. Yes, we'll say Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putra Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayushkamartha Siddhaye. Wonderful. So we'll say line by line. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putra Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayushkamartha Siddhaye. Wonderful. So we'll say a little faster. We'll increase the speed now. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayushkamartha Siddhaye. We'll increase the speed a little more. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putra Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayushkamartha Siddhaye. So these are the Ganesha stotras that we have learnt. So we have learned the 3 Ganesha stotras. I request you to practice all the 3 perfectly without any mispronunciation, without any wrong spelling mistakes, without any wrong pronunciation. And at the end of the video, you will be having a little more detailed information about these shlokas and the stotras. If you are interested, you can please go through that meanings, because I won't be able to give in-depth meaning here, because we are learning a very basic shlokas. We are interested completely into the reciting here. So this course is detailedly and completely made for the initiative for the pronunciation, the right pronunciation, and the reciting and the chanting purpose. So knowing in depth is into a complete different course. So we'll look into that in the future slowly. We'll come to that also. So until then, this meaning should help you and should make you feel comfortable while reciting the shlokas. You will be knowing a little information about why you are chanting, what you are chanting, and for whom you are chanting. So that information will be given to you. So that will make your work little easier, and you will be little more interested towards chanting and reciting. Okay, so and make sure that you practice all these 3 shlokas of a Ganesha, and we will be learning more shlokas in the next videos, in the next chapters also. Okay, so until then, but you keep practicing this. Only once you are done with this, you go for the next lesson. Until that, please do practice the same thing. Do not go for the next chapter. Finish this completely and go for the next chapter. It's okay, fine, if you can take a number of days, that's perfectly fine. But make sure you do a right pronunciation and then recite perfectly. Okay, so thank you so much for this. Leave me your feedback. Your feedback is very much essential for me to work on next process or next courses. So it will be like any kind of a suggestion. Everything is welcome completely, and I'll appreciate your the positive feedbacks or negative feedbacks, whatever it is. It's heartily welcomed. Okay, so thank you so much for your patience and for your time that you are giving here, and God bless you. Namaskara.